What's up guys, my name's Cam, you're watching Sarai Garage, and today we're going to teach you how to change the rear license plate lights on a 2016 present Chevy Malibu. And to do this, we're going to be installing SYLVANIA size 28-25 bulbs. I just got it from the local AutoZone. I'll leave links in the description below for the exact bulb size, and I'll give a bunch of options. These bulbs usually run anywhere from between $8 to $10 a piece, so I think total for this I paid like $17. And also for this repair, what you're going to need is something like this. This is a auto plastic trim remover set. I'll also link this in the description below. It's very cheap, it's like $10 or less. Or you could use a flathead screwdriver. I don't like to do those things because they usually scratch up and nick the parts of the car. You'll see when we start doing this swap real quick what I'm talking about. But yeah, we got the bulbs, we got the trim removers. Let's get into it. Alright guys, this is what the kit looks like. Bunch of different little plastic trim removers. I'm going to be using this one right here. Doesn't matter what you use, you just want to pop that light out. David, come close real quick. We'll show them what the light looks like. Show them underneath. These are, funny enough, these are actually, they look like the same exact lights that are in our Cadillac Escalade. You can see these are the license plate lights, and they do have little indents right here and on this side right here. Can you see that, David? Yeah. They see them? And right here. So what you're going to want to do is grab a trim remover or a plastic, or not a plastic, a flathead screwdriver, insert it into here, and just pop these things off. Now, it might take a little bit of pressure. Oh, jeez. Alright guys, I just popped it open. I did stick it in that little thing to break it loose, and then I did stick it up here to really crack it open. And you can see they just come out, they swing out, you can push it out, and that's what it looks like. This is literally the same exact part that's on our Cadillac Escalade now that I'm looking at it. With this one, look, there's foam insulation to help with rattling. It was kind of melted from the years of heat around here, so you might have to break it off, use a little bit of force. But once you got it out, very simple. You can see here, that's what it looks like. And what you're going to want to do is just twist it, and it comes right out. And it has some guide pins here and some guide pins here to lock it in. And now what we can do is just grab our bulb, and when grabbing the bulb, use gloves, because your hands have natural oils on them. If the oils get on the bulb, they can sit there and they can increase the heat inside the bulb, burn out the filament, and decrease the lifespan. So if you're very nerdy and really care about like $10 bulbs, use gloves. If not, you know, you'll be fine. Just pull the bulb out just like that, and we can put in our new bulb. Here we can show them the replacement, the difference. That's what it looks like. Can they see that? These are 6000K bulbs, by the way. I forgot to say that. That's what we're going with. And these are polar bulbs. So what that means is if you plug them in, what you should do after you plug them in is turn on your car and see if they light up. And if they don't worry, they're not broken. All you want to do is pull them out and flip them 180 and plug them in, and then they'll work. So let me cut the tape right here. We'll start up the car and see if this turns on. Alright guys, so we just plugged it in, and as you can see, the original light is turning on, but this one is not. So like I said, these are polar bulbs, and what you're going to want to do is just, you know, no big deal, pull it out, twist it around, and plug it in, and there you go. You have a nice white LED. Okay, now I'm going to cut the car off real quick, because these things light up, these things heat up really quick, and I don't want to burn my fingers when I'm taking out the other one, and then we'll continue. Alright guys, very simple. To put it back together, you got two guide pins right here and two little holes. Slide it in through the guide pins and then twist to lock it up. Let's see. Yep, twist until it clicks. And then we're going to put this in the same order, or reverse order of taking it out. So this came out first. Actually, no, what am I talking about? You want to feed this into the car first, and then just, let's see, just push the other side in. There you go, and it pops in. Now we can just repeat real quick with the other side and keep it rolling. This one we won't cut. Oh, look at that, it came out real easy. Just pops loose. You can jiggle it loose, twist it open. There's your bulb. This thing is going to be blazing hot, I already know. So I'm going to leave this like this for like 2 minutes, and then we'll put in the second bulb. Alright guys, we let the bulb cool off for a little bit, so we can hopefully, I don't want to burn my finger on these. I've burned my finger on them before. Yep, they're cool now, so we can just, same thing as before, just wiggle it out. This one's in there a lot tighter than the last one was. Okay. And we can grab our nice LED bulb, throw it in. Jeez. I think your clip here is just really tight compared to the other side. Okay, it's in. Let me turn on the car real quick and we'll see if it turns on. Did it turn on? Yeah, that's like probably, did it actually? No, it didn't, David. This one turned on, this one didn't. So I never get it right. It's a 50-50 chance I always get it wrong. So take it out, spin it upside down, and put it in, and there you go. Nice white 6000K LED. And we can, again, same deal as the other side, guide pins, put it in, twist it to lock, okay? And then feed the side with the wire in first, right? And this side just kind of pushes in. So let's see here, and pop, and there you go. Let's give them a good look underneath of what it looks like. And we'll have some nice before and after night shots as well. You see all that? And really, that's all there is to it, guys. Again, links to everything, the trim removers, the lights, the sizes, all the information will be in the link description below. Very quick, simple, and easy repair or modification. Takes like 5 minutes or less. I hope this video helped you guys, and I hope you guys found it entertaining. And with that, I'll see you guys next video.